In today's video, I'll show you how to edit any image or poster generated by ChatGPT quickly, easily, and with great accuracy. Let's get started. Here, I've generated this image using ChatGPT. Now, suppose I created this thumbnail image for a client, and they want one simple change. For example, they want me to change the background color and text. So today, I'll show you how to edit a ChatGPT-generated image without changing the font, without recreating the design, and without writing new prompts. First, open Google and go to ChatGPT. Sign in using your Google account. I've already logged in, as you can see here. The next step is to connect ChatGPT with Canva. Here's how. Open the side panel in ChatGPT. Once the panel opens, click on Plugins. You'll see several available integrations, such as product designs, Gamma Photoshop, and others. Since I want to use Canva, I will search for Canva. On the search bar, I will type Canva. Click on it. Click on Install Plugin. ChatGPT will ask if you want to connect your Canva account. Just make sure you're using the same Google account for both ChatGPT and Canva. Next, click Sign in with Canva. Canva will ask for a few permissions. Simply click Allow. Once that's done, you'll see an authentication successful message. That means ChatGPT is now integrated with Canva. From now on, you can create designs in ChatGPT and instantly convert them into editable Canva projects. Now click Try and Chat. You'll notice that Canva now appears at the bottom of the ChatGPT window. Next, upload the image you want to edit. Click the plus symbol icon, choose Add Photos and Files, and select your image. Once the image is uploaded, simply type, I want to edit this image in Canva. Then click Send. ChatGPT will analyze the image. This may take a minute or two. After processing, it will generate a link that allows you to edit the design directly in Canva. As you can see, ChatGPT says, I have converted the uploaded image into an editable Canva design. Now you'll see two options, Edit Design and View Design. You can also see a summary of what can be edited, such as text, colors, amounts, and other design elements. Click Edit Design. It may ask whether you want to copy the link or open it directly. I'll choose Open. A new Canva tab opens automatically, and you'll see the exact same design ready for editing. Now I can make any changes I want. For example, if I want to change text, I will write New Look. Similarly, I will change the place of text. I will change the color. And finally, I will change the background. Notice that the font, size, and style remain exactly the same. Once you're done editing, click Share in Canva. From there, you can download the design or copy the shareable link and send it to anyone. Pretty amazing, isn't it? If you want to edit another ChatGPT-generated poster, simply upload the new image in ChatGPT, ask it to edit the file in Canva, and it will convert that design into an editable Canva project as well. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.